like to show you my horse. See, this is Maximus. So it comes with a mane and tail. Now, it weighs up to about 70 pounds, and we don't know the price though, because we don't see a price in these. It comes with a fake toy apple, a few hair clips, a actual hair clip, and a brush. And you can sit on it. Shall we go for a ride? Now I will get off of it and I can show y'all all about this thing. Now if you look, here's its head. Adorable. I'm excited to be on one of your videos. Actually, I'm already famous. I could have gotten more. So yes, here's all of its stuff. It's like for his mane, now, or his tail. Now here we have some hair clips, a actual hair clip, and that's Kastle, and a hairbrush. For the horse, not for actual hair. For the horse. For Maximus. And, I don't know what that's for. I actually probably put that stuff in here, don't you think?
Yeah.
And here's its, what is this called?
Reins.
Rein. Here's its reins, and that's how you move it and make it talk. So yeah, it talks. And here's its hoof and a tail view. There's its tail, a tail view. And its tail is very long and it almost touches the ground. And that is about it for my horse Maximus. And I have to say one thing. I really like saying them. It makes me feel like I'm riding a real horse. Bye-bye. Giddy up, Maximus.